Hello everyone, welcome to my web design tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to install Visual Studio Code in 2025. So without more said, as you can see over here, I have it already downloaded. So all you need to do is for you to just go, you right click on it, then you click on open. Then you accept the terms of agreement here. Then you accept, then you click on next. Then you click on next here. You just click on next. Then from this very part here, I want to create a shortcut on my desktop. So I activate this dialog box here. Then I click on next. Then I click on installed. So as you can see, our Visual Studio Code is installing. So all we need here is just patience and time. Voila, as you can see, our installation is done. So all we need to do now is for you to just click finish. So by default, once you install a Visual Studio Code on your desktop, it's going to open for you to see the interface of the Visual Studio Code. So I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you.